Manufactured and expertly assembled in our Michigan-based facility, BW Manufacturing's SB-6 Shot Blaster offers more options and reliability than any equivalent walk-behind shot blaster on the surface preparation market today. The SB-6 Shot Blaster from BW Manufacturing offers a standard 6-inch blast path with optional 4-inch adapter for line stripe removal. The SB-6 features an adjustable handle that allows you to pull or push the unit. This feature offers the ability to blast in any corner, including under shelving and machinery. The SB-6 offers an easy-to-fill hopper with a shot screen that separates debris from steel shot. Easily fill the SB-6 with 15 pounds of steel shot, up to 330 gauge size. The easy-to-remove screen allows the operator to quickly dispose of any debris in the shot screen. The SB-6 comes standard with 1.5-inch and 2-inch hose ports to offer multiple options to connect the SB-6 to your preferred dust containment system. The SB-6 runs on 120-volt power and can be used with just a few easy steps. The amp gauge on the SB-6 will offer the operator an indication of how much power is being pulled from the machine to keep your generators easily running and maintained. The lid can conveniently be opened with just one hand with the use of a quick-release draw latch. The SB-6 features the famous feathered blast edge from BW Manufacturing to avoid any hard lines or cornrows while blasting. The feathered edge offers a steady overlap of blasting to offer the cleanest possible shot blast. The horizontally fed blast wheel design leaves a tapered blast edge pattern, which eliminates any striping effect. Brushes on all sides of the SB-6 offer superior vacuum suction to the ground. Brushes can easily be changed once they start to show wear. Floater plates keep the unit free and easy to move, and can be quickly adjusted in minutes using only a set of hand tools. The SB-6 is manufactured with replaceable liners for extended lifetime, giving you the ability to replace any and all wear components. Discover the unmatched efficiency and reliability of the BW Manufacturing's SB-6 Shot Blaster, the leader in surface preparation technology. For more information or to arrange a demo, visit our website. Elevate your projects with the SB-6, where innovation meets excellence.